Now, after this we come to a special cell organelle which is present only in the plants. Just like centrosome was only in the animal cells, in the plant cell also there is a special cell organelle and that is called plastid. Plastids are not just one type, they are colorful plastids also and there is white or colorless plastid also. The colorful ones are called chromoplast and the colorless ones are called leucoplast. The chromoplasts provide color to various parts of the plant like green color to leaves and red or orange or other colors to flowers and fruits. Now, coming back to the leaves, the special plastid which is present in the leaf is called chloroplast. Chloroplast is green because it has chlorophyll. Of course, it also has some other pigments like keratin and xanthophyll. So, chloroplast is concerned with photosynthesis or production of food. The structure of chloroplast is, you can say, a little more complicated, that is just like mitochondria, it is oval in shape, double membrane, but no cristae. So, smooth inner wall. It is filled with a ground substance which is called stroma. Inside it there are disc like structures, something like your coins, like a 5 rupee coin. Now, they are stacked like this. Once again, stacked means placed one above the other. These are called grana. Singular is granum. So, it is the grana which has the pigments like chlorophyll and stroma is the ground substance. So, with the help of chlorophyll which can trap sunlight, the leaves perform photosynthesis. Now, going back to the second type of plastid, the leucoplast, what does that do? It does not have even a color. That does not mean it does not have any significance. It has. It stores food. This is chloroplast and leucoplast stores food.